Hi friends, my name is Santosh. So we are from BZR Commerce Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss small concept banking module in Tally Prime. Banking module in Tally Prime. So what are the works? What are the profile you can do in the banking module in Tally Prime? So if you use the banking module in Tally Prime, you can configure checkbook series. You can configure checkbook series. What is checkbook series? Checkbook series means suppose you are having HDFC bank account. From HDFC bank, you will take checkbooks. Each checkbook will have 0 to 25 checks, for example. That is called checkbook series. This checkbook series, whenever you take the checkbook from bank, the checkbook number you have to enter into the Tally, and you have to enter how many check leaves you are having in that checkbook. What is the benefit if you configure the checkbook series in the Tally? Whenever you pass the payment entries, the Tally Prime will automatically pick up the check number in the series, check number in the sequence. That means you need not to enter check numbers manually. The system will automatically take the check numbers in the series. That is the benefit of if you configure the checkbook series in the Tally Prime in banking module. Next, you can also enter post-dated checks in the Tally Prime in banking module. Post-dated checks means PDC. What is the PDC? PDC means today you are issuing the check, but by putting the future date. Today you are issuing the check, but you are putting the check date future date. That is called post-dated check. So how to enter post-dated checks in the Tally Prime in banking module? Next important work you can do is cancel the check before issue. Cancel the check before issue. For example, here you configured the checkbook series. One checkbook you configured. In the checkbook, you are having 0 to 25 checks. 25 checks you are having. One check is cancelled before issue. Why you will cancel the check before issue? There may be so many reasons. That check may be tear. That check may be lost, that check may be damaged, or that on that check you may written some wrong particulars. That's why you have to cancel the check before issue. Check is not issued to the party. Before issue, you can cancel this check as a cancel check before issue. That you can configure in the Tally Prime. That means that check will not be appear in the checkbook series. It will be automatically cancelled. The check number will not be picked up in the next payment voucher. That is the concept of cancel check before issue. Next, you can take the printout of PDC registers. Suppose management wants how many checks we issued as a PDCs. That list management want, because we have to arrange the funds. When the check will come to clear, we have to arrange the funds. That PDC register you can take from banking module in the Tally Prime. Next important concept: stop payment for check after issue. Stop payment means you already issued the check to the party. Party is going to be present to the bank. Before the party is going to the present to the bank, you can issue the stop payment to the bank. Please stop my check. That stop payment entry where you have to pass in the banking module in the Tally Prime. How to stop the check? How to stop the check in the Tally Prime? Next, how to issue the blank check? Blank check means for some purposes you have to issue blank check for address proof purpose. So that blank check has to issue to the parties. If you issue the blank check, that check should be consumed from check series. There is a link between check series and blank check. You are issuing one blank check to any party with zero amount for address proof purpose. That blank check series has to cancel from the checkbook series. So how to configure the blank check? Next main important one is in the banking module, bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation. What is bank reconciliation? Everything we will discuss in the classroom. In bank reconciliation, you can do in the Excel or you can do in the Tally Prime. In Tally Prime, the bank reconciliation you can do in two methods. One is manual BRS. Manual BRS means you have to enter the check numbers manually. Manual BRS means you have to enter the check numbers. You have to enter the check numbers manually into the Tally Prime. The Tally Prime will prepare the BRS. Another new concept is automatic BRS by importing the bank statement into the Tally Prime from bank website. What you can do, you need not to enter manual check clearance dates. Simply you can import the bank statement from your bank directly into the Tally Prime. The Tally Prime will automatically do the BRS. You need not to enter check dates, you need not to enter check clear date also. Simply download the import the bank statement, import the bank statement into Tally Prime from your bank website. So in our class we will discuss how to do the BRS in Excel, how to do the BRS in Tally Prime. We have to discuss both methods. So this profile banking module profile in Tally Prime is most important for finance executive profile. Is most important for finance executive profile. If you learn these concepts, if you learn how to configure these concepts, what are the meaning of these concepts, you can easily go for as a finance executive profile in finance department. Finance executive profile as a fresher, as a finance executive profile, you have to do these works. You have to issue the checks, you have to maintain the check series in the Tally, you have to enter PDC checks, you have to cancel the checks sometimes before issue, you have to give the stop payment for the checks, you have to issue the blank checks to some parties, you have to take the printout of PDC registers, you have to do the every month bank reconciliation statement or every day bank reconciliation statement. This is your finance executive profile. This we are going to discuss in detail in the classroom in the Tally Prime. In the Tally Prime. So thanking you.